Okay, good morning, distinguished guys. Thank you very much for joining us. I am Fitri Pujiramawati. I'm honored to stand before you today as we convene at this esteemed international seminar. It is with great pleasure and excitement that I present my research findings on elementary students' perception of dating, a case study in Indonesia. My research focused on identifying elementary school students' conception about dating and exploring behavioral belief, normative belief, as well as counter belief about dating. Through rigorous analysis and interpretation of data, aim to shed light on everybody aware of the aspect that will make a person easier or more complicated to date. By doing so, I hope to not only expand our understanding of the subject's matter, but also offer valuable insight that can inform future research endeavors and practical application. Okay, I will share about my presentation. Okay, this case study explores the perception of dating among elementary students in Indonesia and in Kartasura. This is such as Kartasura is just village in central Java. It aims to understand how young children perceive and understand the concept of dating as well as the factors that influence their perception. By examining the attitude and belief of elements of elementary students toward dating, the study provides insight into the socialization process and cultural norms surrounding romantic relationships among young children in Indonesia, especially in Kartasura city. Okay, dating among elementary school students in Indonesia. Sorry. Okay, I'm repeat. Dating among elementary school students in Indonesia is becoming more and more troubling. One of the indications is that there are a lot of students' conversation, screenshots in various social media, and they are becoming concerns for netizens. In East Java province, for instance, a fifth grade elementary school student can even impregnate a junior high school student who is nothing but his girlfriend. Besides this, 9 friends also raped a fifth grade student in Central Sulawesi province in Indonesia. The increasingly alarming phenomenon of sexual behavior among elementary school students, one of which is influenced by pornographic shows on social media and by TV shows mostly showing dating. Besides this, books and magazines also play a major role in spreading the adult dating style. The government and society are currently doing various efforts to prevent it. Some of them are giving socialization and counseling on dating affect to school. Okay. And the research methodology in this case study, I'm sorry. Okay. The case study on elementary students' perception of dating in Indonesia utilized a mixed methods approach to gather and analyze data. This approach allowed for a comprehensive understanding of the student perception and experience. Research methods with surveys, interview, observation in the case study is applied to this research. In method surveys, questionnaire distribute to students to gather quantitative data on their perception of dating. The sample size is 300 students. The data collection process, students were asked to respond to a series of multiple choice and Likert scale questions about their understanding and attitude towards 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 dating. In method interview, in-depth interviews conducted with a select group of students to gather qualitative insight on their experience and belief. The sample size is 20 students and the collection data, students were asked open-ended questions about their personal experience with dating, their understanding of dating norms, and their opinions on dating at a young age. And the methods, observation, direct observation of student interactive and behaviors related to dating in school and social settings. The sample size is 10 students. And the data collection process with research observed students during recess, lunchtime, and other social activities, taking note on any dating related behaviors or conversation. And the findings is conception of dating. Elementary students generally have a limited understanding of dating, often perceiving it as a form of friendship or spending time together. Many students associate dating with romantic relationships and express curiosity about the concept. And the awareness of positive aspects, students recognize that dating can lead to emotional support, companionship, and the opportunity to learn about oneself and others. They appreciate the idea of having someone to share experience and create memories with. And the last, awareness of negative aspect. Some students express concerns about the potential for heartbreak, rejection, and conflict that may arise from dating. They also mention the pressure to conform to societal expectations and the risk of distraction from academics. And the last conclusion about this research is The study on elementary student perception of dating in Indonesia, especially in Kartosura village, has provided valuable insight into the attitudes and beliefs of young children towards romantic relationship. The key findings and implication of the study are as follows. Limited understanding. The majority of elementary students have a limited understanding of dating, often associating it with friendship or play. Number two, gender differences. Boys and girls have different perception of dating, with boys being more likely to view it as a romantic relationship and girls perceiving it as a form of social interaction. Number two, influence of media. Media plays a significant role in shaping children's perception of dating, with television shows and movies often portraying romantic relationships in a romanticized and unrealistic manner. And the last important of education, there is a need for a comprehensive and age-appropriate education on relationships and dating to help children develop healthy attitudes and behaviors towards romantic relationships in the future. And overall, this study highlights the importance to addressing children's perception of dating and providing them with the necessary knowledge and skills to navigate romantic relationships in a healthy and responsible manner. Okay, this is last of my presentation, and thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.